everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSE Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada, Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today Advanced Computer Architectures. Content: Reduced instruction set computers, complex instruction set computers, superscalar, vector processing, parallel cluster computers, distributed computers. Risk: Reduced instruction set computers. Key features: large number of general purpose register or use of compiler technology to optimize register use. Limited and simple instruction set emphasis on optimizing the instruction pipeline. Driving force for CISC. Software cost for exceed hardware cost. Increasingly complex high level language lead to large instruction set, more addressing mode, hardware implementation of HLL statements. Execution characteristic: operation performed, operands used, execution sequencing. Operations: assignment, movement of data, conditional statement, sequential control. Produce call return is very time consuming. Some HLL instructions lead to many machine code operations. Produce call, procedure call, very time consuming, depend on number of parameter passed, depend on level of nesting. Most programs do not do a lot of call followed by lots of return. Most variables are local implications. Best throughput is given by optimizing most used and most time consuming features. Large number of registers, operand refreshing, careful design of pipelines, branch prediction, etc. Simplified instruction set. Large register file. Software solution: require compiler to allocate registers, allocate based on most used variable in a given time. Require sophisticated program analysis. Hardware solutions: have more registers, thus more variable will be in the registers. Register for local variable: store local scalar variable in register. Reduce some memory access. Every procedure functions call change locality. Parameter must be passed, result must be returned, variable form calling programs must be restored. Register windows: only few parameters, limited range of depth of call, use multiple small set of register, call switch to different set of register, return switch back to previously used set of register. Register window content: 3 areas within a register set: parameter register, local registers, temporary registers from one set, overlap parameter register from the next. This allows parameter passing without moving data. Overlapping register windows, that is defined these pictures: parameter register, local register, temporary. These are defined call and returns. Parameter register, local register, temporary register. Circular buffer diagram: define this overlapping register window. Operation of circular buffer: when a call is made, a current window pointer is moved to show the currently active register windows. If all windows are in use, an interrupt is generated and the oldest window, the one purchased back in the call nesting, is saved into memory. A saved windows pointer indicate where the next saved windows should restore to. Global variable: allocate by the compiler to memory. Have a set of register for global variables. Register versus cache: large register file or cache. All local scalar, recently used local scalar, individual variable, block of memory. Large register file define compiler assigned global variable. Cache define recent used global variable. Large register file save restore based on procedure. Cache save restore based on nesting cache algorithm. Register: local register file, register addressing, cache, memory addressing defined. Risk characteristic: one instruction per cycle. Register to register operations, few simple addressing mode, few simple instruction formats, hardwired design, no microcode, fixed instruction format, more compile time offered. Risk pipelining: most instructions are register to register, 2 phases of execution: instruction fetch, execute. Logic and operations with register input and output. For load and store: instruction fetch, execute. Calculate memory address, new memory, register to memory or memory to register operations. Optimization of pipelining: delayed branch does not take effect until after execution of following instruction. This following instruction is the delay load slot. CISC and RISC content: CISC complex instruction set computers. Complex instruction involve a large number of steps. If individual instruction perform more complex operation, fewer instruction will be needed, leading to lower value of n and a large value of s. Complex instruction combined with pipelining would achieve good performance. Complex instruction set computer. Another characteristic of 6 computer is they have instruction that act directly on memory addresses. For example, ADD L1, L2, L3 define that take the content of M L1 add content.